Hey, everybody, welcome to Lex's World. We are currently 6 weeks in on this blueberry grow. 6 weeks since I put the seeds in water, anyway. And these girls have really come along. They are about 2 feet tall each. And since they're gonna increase in height about 2.5 times during flowering, I figured that I should probably send them into flowering. And with this Mars Hydro light, the way to send it into flowering is to flick the switch at the back that turns on some of the more red hues right there. And check this out. Boom. Voila. And now we are in flowering phase, and we're going to be turning the lights on to 1212. I had already turned them down to, I believe, 16.8 in preparation last night. And otherwise, we're just going to let these ladies grow. They are going to be growing for about 8 weeks. And we're going to be feeding them, in case you haven't been keeping up with all of the episodes, just a basic 1 part Fox Farm solution. Really, really simple. We're going to be treating them real gently. They're still going to be sitting at about a 6.5 pH. Oh, and also we have ourselves a guest visitor today. Our guest visitor is the 5th worst plant that we removed a ways ago. There he is, still in his little container. He's developed a little bit of issues. And yeah, look at how tiny he is compared to his sisters. This is what happens if you keep a plant in the same pot for too long. It just kind of stops growing and it slows down to a crawl. Just look at that difference. Unbelievable. Yeah, so there you go. Don't let your plants get root bound or they'll stay way too tiny for way too long. He has been fed the same kind of nutrients as these girls, and he has been under the same LED light. Well, a different LED light, but LED nevertheless, with several bands. So the only difference is how long he's been in this tiny pot. So there you go, guys. Just a quick little lesson. Don't let your girls get root bound, because you waste time just having them sit without changing size. On that note, everybody, we are going to back off these girls for a little bit of time. We'll give them a couple weeks to get going, and then we'll be checking in on them. So far, no deficiencies present. They're looking quite good. And we'll see you all next time on Lex's World. So be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll see you then. Bye-bye.